Opportunity to thank Standard Chartered Bank for this generous donation of eye equipment to the Ministry of Health. This is a demonstration of the important role the private sector plays in the promotion of health of our citizens. The medical equipment we are receiving today has come at the right time when the ministry is addressing the various challenges facing eye patients across the country. In Kenya, eye diseases are ranked 8th among the top diseases that cause morbidity. Prevalence of blindness starts at 0.5% of the population, while childhood blindness accounts for about 6% of the total cases of blind people in the country. Childhood blindness is one of the priorities for Vision 2030, as my colleague Khadija mentioned, a global initiative that aims to eliminate avoidable blindness by 2020.